Gardening hacks to grow plants. Have you ever wondered why some plants grow faster, look greener, and produce more flowers, while others struggle to survive? The secret isn't expensive fertilizers or fancy gardening tools. Most successful gardeners rely on simple, natural techniques that anyone can use at home. Healthy plants always begin with healthy soil. Think of soil as the foundation of your garden. A rich mixture of garden soil, compost, coco peat, and a little sand or perlite provides excellent drainage, better airflow, and plenty of nutrients. When roots are healthy, the entire plant becomes stronger and more productive. One of the biggest mistakes gardeners make is overwatering. More water doesn't always mean better growth. Before watering, check the top inch of the soil with your finger. If it feels dry, water deeply until excess water drains from the bottom. Deep watering encourages roots to grow downward, making plants stronger and more resistant to heat and drought. Instead of throwing away kitchen waste, turn it into natural plant food. Banana peels provide potassium, eggshells add calcium, and vegetable scraps can become nutrient-rich compost. These simple household items improve soil fertility while reducing waste, making your garden healthier in a completely natural way. Another powerful gardening hack is mulching. Cover the soil around your plants with dry leaves, straw, grass clippings, or bark chips. Mulch helps the soil retain moisture, prevents weeds from growing, protects roots from extreme temperatures, and slowly adds organic matter back into the soil as it decomposes. Sunlight is just as important as water. Every plant has different light requirements. Some vegetables need 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day, while many indoor plants prefer bright, indirect light. Understanding the needs of each plant helps prevent weak growth and encourages healthier leaves and stronger stems. Regular pruning is another secret used by experienced gardeners. Removing yellow leaves, dead flowers, and damaged branches allows the plant to focus its energy on producing fresh, healthy growth. Pruning also improves air circulation, reducing the chances of fungal diseases. Organic liquid fertilizers can provide an excellent boost during the growing season. Compost tea, vermicompost liquid, seaweed extract, or fish emulsion delivers nutrients that plants can absorb quickly. Feeding plants every few weeks keeps them healthy without relying heavily on chemical fertilizers. If you're growing plants in containers, drainage is extremely important. Always use pots with drainage holes and a well-draining potting mix. Standing water around the roots can cause root rot, one of the most common reasons container plants fail. Healthy roots need both moisture and oxygen to thrive. Your garden also benefits from welcoming helpful insects. Bees and butterflies pollinate flowers, while ladybugs naturally feed on aphids. Planting flowers like marigolds, lavender, basil, and zinnias can attract these beneficial insects, creating a healthier and more balanced garden ecosystem. For vegetable gardeners, rotating crops each season is a smart habit. Growing the same crop in the same location year after year can increase pests and diseases while depleting the soil. Crop rotation keeps the soil healthier and reduces common garden problems naturally. Another simple trick is watering early in the morning. Morning watering allows plants to absorb moisture before temperatures rise, while leaves have enough time to dry during the day. This reduces water loss through evaporation and helps prevent fungal diseases. Cleaning your gardening tools may seem like a small task, but it makes a big difference. Dirty pruners and scissors can spread diseases from one plant to another. Keeping tools clean protects your entire garden and helps plants recover faster after pruning. Spend a few minutes observing your plants every day. Look for signs of pests, yellow leaves, curling foliage, or slow growth. Catching problems early makes them much easier to solve before they become serious. Companion planting is another valuable gardening technique. Certain plants naturally help each other grow. Basil planted near tomatoes may help repel some insects, while marigolds discourage certain garden pests. Choosing the right plant combinations creates a healthier garden with less effort. Perhaps the most important gardening hack of all is patience. Plants don't grow overnight. Healthy gardens are built through consistent care, proper watering, good soil, enough sunlight, and regular attention. Small daily efforts lead to beautiful gardens over time. Remember, successful gardening isn't about spending more money. It's about understanding what your plants need and providing the right care at the right time. Follow these simple gardening hacks consistently, and you'll enjoy greener leaves, stronger roots, brighter flowers, and healthier plants throughout the growing season. Happy gardening, and may every plant in your garden grow healthier, stronger, and more beautiful every single day.